Arjun stood outside the university gates every morning. Not because he studied there, because he sold tea. Every day he watched hundreds of students walk in carrying laptops, expensive headphones, and thick books. He smiled at all of them. Some smiled back. One rainy afternoon, a girl named Sarah forgot her wallet. "I'll pay tomorrow," she said nervously. "It's okay," Arjun laughed. The next day she returned, not only with the money, but also with an old economics book. "You always look at our books," she smiled. "I wanted to study once," Arjun admitted. "What happened?" "My father became ill." From that day, Sarah and her friends often stayed at the tea stall discussing assignments. Arjun listened quietly. Months later, he could explain inflation better than many first-year students. One evening, Sarah asked, "If university education were free, would you study?" Arjun answered immediately, "Of course." "But would everyone value free education?" another student interrupted. Silence. An engineering student joined the discussion. "My cousin studies because his parents sacrificed everything. If education becomes completely free, some students may take it less seriously." Sarah disagreed. "Education creates better doctors, teachers, and engineers. Society benefits when more people can afford university." Another student added, "Instead of making it free for everyone, governments could help only students who genuinely cannot pay." The debate continued until sunset. A year later, Arjun earned a scholarship funded by local businesses. As he entered the same university gate for the first time, not carrying tea but carrying books, he smiled. Not because education was free, but because someone believed talent should never depend only on money.
IELTS Task 2. Topic: Should university education be free for everyone? Ideas hidden inside the story. Education improves society. Financial barriers prevent talented students from studying. Free education increases equal opportunities. Some people may not value something that costs nothing. Behaviors have limited budgets. Scholarships and financial aid can be better than making education free for everyone. Speaking practice. Retell Arjun's story in your own words. Try speaking for 2 minutes. Vocabulary. Financial barriers. Scholarship. Equal opportunities. Sacrifice. Valuable. Investment. Government. Funding. Writing task. Write a 250-word essay using at least 4 ideas from the story.